What's up, guys? Welcome back to the last PBA Tour event of the season. Roth and Holman doubles. This is one of my favorite events of the year. I feel like it's both Mikey, and it's like we have our own personal ball reps, so we always have someone to bounce ideas off of. Here we are. Let's go inside.
Working hard as I can, or I'ma stack them bands. I've been making upgrades, trying to better myself. Gotta start with change if you wanna build wealth. No, I'm gonna get by, I don't gotta sell out. Don't need no clout, it's bad for my health. Oh, I got a new suit and tie and I'm feeling my best. Yeah, oh, I'm doing numbers no less than 100%. I feel like a new man. I got a new game plan. Working hard as I can. Oh, I'ma stack them bands. Yeah, I feel like a new man. I feel like a new man. I feel like a new man. Yeah, I feel like a new man. Good ain't good enough, no, I gotta be great. Moving like lightning, I'm a bullet train. Staying on track, I would never deviate. I'ma keep my head straight, I'ma pick up the pace. Fade all the hate, I got the icing, I'm taking the cake. I'm getting paid, still gonna pray. Know that I'm blessed and forgiven by grace. You know oh, I got a new suit and tie and I'm feeling my best. Yeah, oh, I'm doing numbers no less than 100%. Yeah, I feel like a new man. I feel like a new man. I feel like a new man. Yeah, I feel like a new man. Don't need no praise, no accolades. I got respect, they know my name. Won't let opinions be my chains. Don't need
So after one game, I carried his ass. It's a team effort. We shot 492, I think. I had 267, Mike had 225. Hopefully we could just stay on top of the move. He hated that one. I hated mine. They were both 10 back. We're gonna keep our heads down and keep making shots. Don't get too high, don't get too low, don't expect much. Hopefully the results reciprocate the process.
no less than 100%. Feel like a new man. New man. Working hard as I can. Going hard now. I feel like a new man. I feel like a new man. I feel like a new man. Yeah, I feel like a new man. I feel like a new man. I feel like a new man. Yeah, I feel like a new man.
After two, we are 175 over. Not bad. Didn't capitalize on the 10th frame. We'll wrap the 10 first ball on the 10th. Mine was on a 4-bagger, so that really kind of hurts, but it's all right. We're in a decent spot. If that's one of our end games, then we should be all right.
3, 2, 1, this is celebration. Had to go SpaceX for the elevation. And they can't come close to the dedication. Everybody on your feet for the ovation. Come again where you been, what's the situation? Picking up on my sin, I'm a sensation. Keeping it 100 bands. Call me Ben Franklin. Just trying to do with me, here's a demonstration. Babe, I swing for the fence. Tell me who you know can do it like this. Got 'em all like 3, 2, up, all the way. You can tell by the look on their face. Got 'em all like we ain't even gotta say much. Keep it clutch from the dawn to the dust. Now they all like go ahead, let the races begin for the win. Getting close to the end, going out with a
319 over, I think, for the day. I don't know where that puts us, but I can't imagine it's terrible. We got more bowling tomorrow. We're only halfway there, so if we can do a little bit better tomorrow, we should be in good shape for match play. We're gonna need a lot of strikes. 100 over was not great yesterday. 200 over was like on par, so we're both gonna have to step it up. As a team, I think we gotta average probably like 235. Hopefully we do the same thing today and score a little higher, and hopefully we're bowling tomorrow. Struggling. We're gonna need the biggest 3 games of our lives, possibly for a check. See how it goes. To the end, here we go.
It's a good time to have a good time. Hit the road, but then I took flight. I got a hit list, but I'm not a victim. I know I'm not alone. Can I get a witness? Say it all, yeah. Naysayers still stay, I'm right there. Keep the same energy, cause I don't care. It's not rain, oh yeah. Just had to make that clear. Imagine waking up in different time zones. New clothes smell suicide doors. Everything changed when I'm on a one more. So it's a good time to have a good time. It's a good time to have a good time. Yeah, it's a good time to have a good time. Right about now is a goody goody. People wondering how could he, should we? I don't want no regrets, better get back. Ain't no shoulda, woulda, coulda, man, I lived that. Doing my thing like the last one left. It's a big flex when I run my steps. That's why I'll get everything I've spent. A good time to say I'm blessed. Imagine every day is your birthday. Your gifts came early, everything's sturdy. And you live life like you ain't gotta worry. That's right now. So it's a good time to have a good time. It's a good time to have a good time.
So last game, we're right there. We're real close. I think a pretty good game here. We'll make the cut for the top 40. As you know, I run the TV Bowling Supply channel, right? If I break 244 this game, everyone who's not subscribed to TV Bowling Supply has to subscribe. And if I break 120, you have to subscribe anyways. Started with a split, so we'll see how it goes.
gonna do it for the PBA Tour season for me. I wish we could have done more here, but dude, there's only so much I could do. Mikey wasn't bowling well. Let's see what happens moving forward. But we need this to get better. We got some interesting content coming soon, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're interested in a little different. Stay tuned for some league and Pro-Am stuff. See you next time.